Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to find fuel sites on the Key Fuels application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this search bar in the middle of the screen and type in your location, and then click on the Find Fuel Sites button below. Then you will be directed to this map in which all of the nearby fuel sites will appear, and they are marked with this purple icon. So all you have to do is tapping on this button, and here you can find the name of the fuel site and below the address. Here you can see the Key Fuels discount cards, and if you want to get there you can get the directions of it by tapping on the Get Directions button on the right side of the screen. So that's how you can search for fuel sites. That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.